Good morning, everybody. So today we are on our way to a town. I think it's a town or a village or a town, I don't know, called Pavlikeni, where we are going to do some grocery shopping because yesterday we bought a second-hand freezer, which we are very happy with because that means that we don't have to do groceries as often anymore, and we can do, put some of our groceries in the freezer, which makes it a lot easier for us to, also the money is also important because if you do groceries every day, most of the time you take much more, and if you do like more, if you don't have to go that often, it can save you money. So we're very happy that we found this freezer for it was 140 lefs, which we paid for this freezer. It's a table model freezer, which we are very happy with, and now we can also have some extra space to do some cutting and everything on in our kitchen because we didn't have that at all yet. So we're very happy. So 140 left means that it's in euros, it will be around 70 euros. And in dollars, it's a little more. So yeah, we're very happy. And now we are on our way to a very big grocery store, which we have never been there before. And we heard about it from our wonderful friends that arrived back in Bulgaria yesterday. They are from Scotland, and we are very blessed with them because they tell us many things that we don't know yet.
Big shout out to Chris and Patricia.
Big shout out. Yeah, you guys are amazing. We really love you guys, and we are very happy to have friends like you. So, yeah, that's it for now, and we'll keep you posted. The sun is shining. It's such an amazing weather. I love it. Woohoo! Look at the view. So we are on our way back, and we had so much lovely groceries. I was so surprised. They have everything that you need over there. I was so overwhelmed that I forgot to film a little bit, so I'm sorry for that. But wow, I even found fish eggs, which I always wanted to try, and they were not so expensive. What did we pay for fish eggs? €1.50 or something? What? Caviar for that price? I mean, seriously. I finally can try. And we found real big chunks of salmon, which we can, which we can bake, and they were really, really affordable. What was it per kilo? I think
Something like €7.
7 euros. What? In the Netherlands, you are gonna be poor if you buy that almost. I'm so happy that we can try that. And I took my smoker from the Netherlands, and I never used it before until here in Bulgaria, because yeah, this house was always a dream of me, and I was saving stuff like that up. And now I took it here, and I'm gonna smoke my own salmon. Yoo-hoo! I mean, I'm gonna try. I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm gonna try. So now we are on our way back, and I'm very happy and so blessed with this wonderful country here. So every day we explore new places here, and it's amazing, and we feel so blessed to be in Bulgaria. And well, that's it for today. Yeah, I hope you will have a lovely day. We are gonna enjoy our day, and we're gonna unpack our groceries. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!